Mariel na Mariel. At eto naman ang isa mong friend, si new friend. Naku, ano ba yun? Nasa labas pala siya.
Oh, Mariel, eto na.
Eto na.
Naku, nagwawala na ang may tagahawak mo ng mga banners.
You said meron kang
Wait.
rehearsal.
Bago ko magsalita on that note, kamusta na kayo ni John?
John and I are okay.
Can we invite him over here naman?
John, join us.
Please, John!
Naku,
John?
natensa ko. Ano ba ito?
Sino ba tatayo?
Naku,
John?
teka.
Ano ba to? In fairness, Mariel, nakapag-rehearsal talaga siyang outfit.
Okay.
Oh my
Hi,
God.
John.
You said you had rehearsal today.
I just finished her. Welcome to
naman.
Entertainment Live.
Welcome. Sorry ha for the ambush interview. Look at you. You look like you were going to rehearsal.
I
But
just, katatapos ko lang ng rehearsal.
Teka, ang question pa
Akala ko
namin,
nag-base ka talaga para sa show eh.
Luis, ang question pa man din natin, kailan sila last nag-usap ni John? Eh, biglang nandito na si John. Aba naman. Teka, you see the question naman, oh. Nag-dinner daw kayo ng pamilya ni John. How true is that?
Yes, kasi my mom is very fond of John. So gusto niya talagang makilala si John. And then the mom of John wanted to meet my mom kasi super sinuportahan talaga ng mom ko si John. So yan, we had dinner. Yun.
John, how was the dinner?
Masarap.
Mahal.
Hindi, pinag-uusapan natin yung dinner, hindi yung kinain nyo. Yung dinner. How was it having
Were you
your
able to
family
talk
and
to the
Mariel?
family?
Yung conversation,
Oh yes, it was, it was very intimate.
alam mo, sandali lang ha. Very speechless kasi ang mga nangyayari ngayon. Speechless tong si John. Medyo shock pa siya sa mga nangyayari. Gusto ko lang balikan yung last week dahil nag-guest si John sa atin. Tinanong natin siya ng derechahan kung ano ang nararamdaman niya kay Mariel. You said it straight. Gusto ko siya.
Yeah, totoo yun eh. Totoo, gusto ko siya.
Ba't di mo sabihin sa kanya?
Mariel, would you like to
Mariel?
say anything?
What's your reaction?
Your
when he said
reaction?
that
Ano ba
last
ito?
week?
Siyempre naman, of course, kinilig naman ako, girl naman ako, di ba? Pero, and you know what? He knows how I feel. So, yun. I know how, he
Ba't
knows
nanginginig
how I
baba mo?
Naku, very
Kasi wala
intense
naman
talaga
to.
to.
Oo, wala to sa usapan. Biglang lumabas na lang ito.
Nauubusan tayo ng oras. Naku, kulang tayo sa oras nito.
Last question, Luis. Ikaw na ang magtanong ng last question.
John, MT, after all this, where do you guys plan to go from here? Ano nang plano nyo sa relationship nyo? Quote-unquote relationship nyo?
Meron ba?
Bakit?
I think, let me think, sandali.
Okay, let her think.
I think we're just gonna, see.
We're just gonna see. I want to hear from John. John?
Yeah, we should see. Tingnan natin.
We'll see. Mga kapamilya and everyone, kung ano man ang kahahantungan ng lahat ng ito, we will see. At kung ano man ang mga intriga at mga chikang dapat niyong abangan, we'll see sa pagbabalik ng Entertainment Live. Thank you, Mariel. Thank you, John.